Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Volkswagen Beetle. Start by gathering your tools and materials, including a drain pan, a 17mm wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a new oil filter. You'll also need about 6 3/10 quarts of 5W40 or 5W30 full synthetic oil. Warm up your engine for about 15 minutes, then let it cool for 20 minutes to prevent burns. Finally, safely lift your Beetle and secure it on jack stands. Now place a waste oil container, capable of holding at least 5 liters, directly under your engine's drain plug. Using a 19mm wrench or socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old oil drain completely. This usually takes around 15 minutes. While it drains, clean the drain plug area thoroughly. Remember to replace the old crush washer with a new one for a proper seal. Next, locate your oil filter housing, which might be under a decorative engine cover. Use a 32mm socket to carefully remove the housing. Detach the old filter and O-rings, then install your new filter and lubricated O-rings. Reinstall the housing, tightening it to 18 Newton meters. Now, using a funnel, pour in about 6 3/10 quarts of fresh 5W40 or 5W30 synthetic oil, as recommended by Volkswagen. Once the new oil is in, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 22 foot-pounds or 27 Newton meters. Carefully lower your Volkswagen Beetle from the jack stands. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to ensure the new oil circulates properly and the oil pressure light goes out. Finally, turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.